The government has allocated 50 million ringgit to Johor to help manage the ongoing floods in the state. Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim said the allocation was decided after floods in Johor worsened overnight.
Johor untuk ke bersungai dan untuk bantu mangsa banjir dan apa-apa keperluan yang segera. Dan Bapa Menteri turun hari ini dan esok sebahagian lagi dan saya akan atur dalam masa singkat.
The number of flood victims has continued to increase in Johor, which is the worst state hit by floods. As of 3:40 p.m. today, the state had around 32,000 evacuees, involving 9,000 families. Yesterday, 10 million ringgit was channeled to the National Disaster Management Agency to buy essential goods and additional aid for flood-affected victims in Johor. Deputy Prime Minister Ahmad Zahid Hamidi said the immediate allocation was to ensure that all equipment at temporary evacuation centers was sufficient, especially as the number of victims continued to increase.